Hello students, this is the reference video of today's class. So we have started exercise 1.3. 1.3 and page number is 21. Okay. So today I am continuing from 6th bit. Okay. What is the question? A certain freezing process requires the room temperature be lower from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every day. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? Okay. What is the given there? They are saying that the initial temperature was how much? It was 40 degrees Celsius and it is decreasing every day. By how much? By 5 degrees Celsius it is decreasing. Okay. Decreasing means we need to take it as, if it is decreasing, we have to say it as minus 5 degrees Celsius because it is decreasing. In subtraction, the numbers get decreased. We are going to subtract, right? So, initial temperature was 40 degrees Celsius as I said, and room temperature decreases. How much it is decreasing at? 5 degrees Celsius, okay, per hour, okay. What they have said us to find what will be the room temperature for 10 hours after the process begin. For 1 hour it decreasing to 5 degrees Celsius. So for 10 hours how much it decreases? So we shall find that. So you need to write in the sentence temperatures changes in 1 hour. How much it is changing? Minus 5 degrees Celsius it is changing. Okay, decreases is nothing but subtraction. Next, temperature change in 10 hours. We have to find of 10 hours. So, per hour how much it is changing? 5 hours minus 5 hours and into how much hours we are finding of? 10 hours. Okay, we are finding of 10 hours. Next, we are going to get how much? 50 degrees Celsius we are getting. Minus 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature is changing in 10 hours. Next, room temperature after 10 hours. What will be the room temperature? We shall find now. Initial temperature plus temperature change in 10 hours. Initial temperature was how much? 40 degrees Celsius. So, write down here plus temperature change in 10 hours. How much it is? Minus 50. So, write down minus 50 and after that do plus into minus will be minus. So, 40 minus 50 will be what? Minus 10 degree. So, the room temperature after 10 hours will be minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay. Next question what it is? In the class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. So, for each question if it is correct, how much they are awarding you? How much marks they are giving you? They are giving each question scores of 5 marks. And if you do wrong, incorrect answers will be getting minus 2 marks. It decreasing to minus 2 marks. Okay. So, write down given what they have given us. They have given us 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for incorrect answer. Now, we shall find of Mohan's. Mohan's get 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So, who is that person? His name is Mohan. How much is getting? Mohan gets 4 correct answers. Okay. 4 correct answers means 4 into how much each question carries of how many marks? 5 marks. So, if in your exams, if there are 2 questions, it is carrying of 5 marks each. So, how will you calculate both the answers if it is correct? So, we are going to calculate 2 into 10. Okay. In the same way, Mohan is scores 4 correct answers. 4 he is saying. So each question carries of 5 marks. So 4 into 5, if you do, how much you will get? 4 5s are 20. 20 are correct. Okay. Sorry, 20 marks he got for correct answers. Okay, next what they have said, 6 are incorrect answers. 4 are correct and 6 are incorrect answers. Okay, incorrect answers, how much they are giving us marks? For incorrect answers are -2. Okay, so 6 into -2 will be what? 6 2s are 12. So minus we have to keep it is. Plus into minus will be minus. So -12 marks he got for incorrect answers. Okay, now we are going to find total marks. Total marks, how will you do? Total marks is equal to correct answers. How much marks he got? He got 20 marks for correct answers, and for plus incorrect answers he got -12. So in bracket you need to write -12. Okay, so do 20, keep it as it is, plus into minus will be -12. So 20 minus 12 will be what? The answer will be 8. So Mohan scored 8 marks. Okay, 8 marks in class test. Okay, I want everyone to complete your notes. See children, next other two are Reshma gets 5 correct answers. So 5 into 5 you need to do. 5 into 5 will be what? 25. Next, in the same way, same procedure is same. The number of incorrect are different. Number of correct are different. Number of correct is 5 and incorrect are 5. So you need to do it. Correct means 5 into 5 you need to do. Incorrect answers are 5. 5 into -2. Okay. So correct answers, how much you get? 5 into 5 will be 25. Incorrect, how much you will be getting? 5 into -2 will be -10. Okay. Again you need to do total marks. 25 minus 10. Okay. You will be getting how much? You will be getting 15. Answer. So I want everyone to do. In the same way, Hina. Next question is also similar to that. Okay. Only the correct answers and incorrect answers are different. You need to find the same procedure.